Good evening, everyone. I hope you're all good. Chante here today. So we're going to be taking you through other elements in the Academy. Okay, so just a little bit about myself. I'm a wife and mother of 3, also a platinum leader here in the company. Our team name is Kingdom Finance Academy, and I'm also a former secondary and sixth form teacher. I'm also the owner of Kingdom Kids Childcare based here in Basildon, an educationist, an investment property owner. So I own 2 different properties, separate properties, as well at this moment in time anyway. There's still more to come by God's grace. A school governor and a business for homes recommended distributor. If you do not already do so, follow me on Instagram and let's connect. So today I'm going to be taking you through and explaining how the DCX Academy kind of works. Now, this academy is so underrated that if any of you have seen how many pips I caught, so I caught 9,000 pips. So those 9,000 pips were caught through Bitcoin when it went from the 43,000 area all the way up to the 62,000. That's when I caught that big movement. And obviously, you're not going to know my lot size, but profited really well between that. So those are the 2 areas I am going to be focusing on today. Obviously, I have spoken previously in my last video on HFX and how that works. Okay, so with regards to DCX, this is our Digital Currency Academy. Okay, so the Digital Currency Academy covers areas so that you are able to have an app on your phone that helps you utilize making a profit from the movement in the market. So I'm going to take you straight over to that platform now so that you are able to see what this looks like. So this is the platform that you get access to should you decide to join my team. You get your own login. It follows your own progress. So if I just click academies, obviously I have access to everything because I have the elite pack. However, if you do not want to have the elite pack and you want to kind of just start on traditional Forex or HFX or just the crypto side of the academy or even the drop shipping side, you can do that. There is no compulsory reason why you cannot do one at a time if you prefer to do so. Okay, so on the DCX Academy, you have an area that allows you to kind of follow through. So you can see here, it takes you step by step. If I just click on this one, there we go, and click start. And it will give you a series of videos. So as you can see, what are digital currencies? What is a pip in digital currencies? And the thing is, the greatest thing to know is a lot of people think, if I know about how, the market moves in currencies, they'll think it's exactly the same for cryptocurrency. But what they don't know is the way that it's calculated is completely different. So the way I would calculate my Ethereum lot size is different to my Bitcoin lot size, and so on and so forth. If this already sounds confusing to you, then it's all good because you are going to find out here. So where it says, what are digital currencies? You're going to learn all this terminology, all the lingo, so you get to speak like a pro. Okay, so that takes you all the way through on this side. So as you finish those videos, you can then start to profit. If we now go to strategies, okay, so I'm just going to show you the strategy side of things now. So this is where you will then upskill yourself to be able to learn. Not only that, if I click on this DCX Academy, which is obviously the crypto side, you will see you get access to 2 elements. You get access to the Swipecoin Scalper and you get access to the Harmonics DCX. In addition to that, the best part that I love is the Swipecoin app. Swipecoin app, if I just open that up on my phone, you get notifications direct to your phone telling you when to buy, when to sell, and which digital currency to do that on. So an alert will pop up. Once it pops up on your phone, you will just take it. So this is what it looks like as an example. Okay, so you would get a graph that shows you their analysis. And if you click the little tick button at the end, it tells you exactly what to get in on. So for example, this is telling me Ethereum USD, buy market and it tells me my entry price and where I should take my profit and where I should put my stop loss. So if you are good at copying, this is the best app for you. So that is a great app, and that's, to be honest, that's where I got most of my trades from. I like to take that on the side of HFX, which is the main thing that I love to do. Okay, so when we click on Swipecoin Scalper, it's going to open this up for us. And it's got it in a easy 3-step way or training, right? So already, as soon as you open this, you can see it says step number 1, change from candlestick chart to line chart. Okay, this is candlesticks. So each and every single one of these that we see is called a candlestick. If I look here, it shows me the time frame that I'm on, and it shows me that it is on 15 minutes. So that means each of these candlesticks are representative of 15 minutes. It then even has a little annotation for me. So it says break and close below 57,725, which is here. They've already marked it up, confirms the sell. What it's done, so it's already told me. It's told me what to do. All I need to do is follow. Break and close below 57,725. It has marked it up. So it's called for a sell, it's broken below, it has closed. Okay, so it's broken below that line and it's closed. With the red candle, it closes here. With green candles, it closes here. That means as soon as it's broken and closed here, I can enter this trade. Look at that. Look at this. I mean, how easy could this get from here? Okay, let's even say you entered when it closed, all the way down here. So it touched here to this point, shadow of price, but all the way here. Are we looking at the pips, please? Are we seeing this? For those on the call, I'm sure you love the way this looks. I'm sure you love the way this looks, because I certainly do. Okay, so that's how much you could have profited. That is how much you could profit. But anyway, let's go through the 4-step process anyway. So as you can see, you've got the candle is broken and closed, but they told us to change it to a line chart. So let's say, for example, you've come on, it says change it from this to a line chart, right? So we're going to go here and we're going to change it to line. There we go. We've got a line. Let's go and check step number 2. Step number 2, spot break and close of structure, support or resistance. This is the structure that they've put in there for you. It has broken it. So what that means is that this line has come past this area, broken it. It's obviously come up for a close retest. So it's retesting that zone, and then it's continued dropping from there, right? Step number 3, the 50 EMA. So EMA stands for estimated moving average. The 50 EMA yellow line must be underpriced for a buy or above for a sell. Okay, the yellow line is above price. So price is the blue, the yellow is the estimated moving average. It is broken below. That means we're going in for a sell. Do you see how easy that is? This is one of the reasons why I absolutely love Swipecoin. And as you can see here, it's called all the trades that it's been calling out. So there's 2 from today. There's 2, 3, 4, 5 from yesterday. And then obviously Monday was bank holiday, but you can see that they're actually repeated quite often. And then here we go, we can look at Ethereum. So Ethereum 2 tells you where the spot of break and close is. And then this was called today. So we had 3 trades on Ethereum and 2 trades, so 5 trades in total, and that's more than enough. You only need to take about 2 trades a day. Yeah, so yeah, there you go. You got 3 trades on Ethereum. On Tuesday, you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 trades on Ethereum alone. You know, I don't know what to say. I love this academy because it helps you. It's not a thing where you're left in the wilderness kind of wondering. You know, you've got all the tools, all the resources to help you become profitable. It's just about discipline, effort, perseverance, and consistency. And the reason why I say that is some people have a greedy tendency. Once they see, oh my gosh, look how much money I can make from this, they start to over leverage. So based on their account, they probably do double what their account lot size should be. And if it does have a pullback, so let's say, for example, you've gone in for this trade, and it does a big pullback or an even bigger pullback. I'm trying to find a big pullback specifically. So let's say, for example, you've gone in for a sell. Look what it's done. It's gone all the way up beyond your, where you may have entered. You need to be able to hold these sorts of trades. You do need to be able to hold it. So if you do a big lot size, bigger than your account, what do you think is going to happen? So let's be wise with, a lot of these things, take our time. Let's learn to walk before we are able to run. So this is one of the products that you have access to should you decide to join my team. Going on to the next area, which is called the Harmonics DCX. And this is very similar to what we have for the traditional trades to take them for, to take trades for currencies, along with gold, silver, etc. So if I just open this up, you will see a harmonics pattern appear. This is also fantastic. Why? Right, so this is a currency specifically that some people, aren't too aware of. There are so many. These are what's called altcoins. Okay, so altcoins, you've got your main crypto coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc., and then you've got your altcoins. Those are like the smaller version of these bigger coins. Okay, so this is Phil against the USDT, so that's the United States Tether. Okay. And you can see wherever there is a D. So if you have the D low at the bottom, you want to buy it, because the point is to buy low and you want to sell high. So if this D was at the top, we want to sell. Right now, it's telling us that we should buy. It has given us our entry. It has given us our TP1, our TP2, and our TP3. Guess what it's done? It's gone up, hit TP1, smacked TP2 straight out of the gate, and has gone up to TP3. If you see, just so that you can look at the bottom, just look where I'm hovering. So this was called at 7:15. Okay, so this was called at 7:15 today. It's currently 7:29. Okay, so this was called about 15 minutes ago. It went up and it literally got to TP3 in the space of what? 30 minutes, 45 minutes. 45-minute trade, hit TP3 straight away. Who doesn't want that? Who doesn't want that? So your entry was here. Here's your TP3, even went beyond TP3. But guess what? That's how many pips you would have caught from that trade. That is how many pips you would have caught from that trade. I don't know what to say. I don't know what else to say. Let's go and look at another one. So you can see, let's go and look at DOT. I quite like DOT. I bought some DOT coins a few months back. I've bought Cardano. This one, ADA, is Cardano. So I've bought quite a few coins, a few altcoins at the moment. So it's given us our entry. It's just missed the entry really slightly. Let me just see. I think that's even by a few points. Let me just see. So from there. So it's missed that by about 4 points or so. So not that far off from price. Which is all just okay. This, either way, went from D, where it called the trade, right on this red candle, and this hit TP1. So it hit TP1 here. So it called the trade at 2:30. It hit TP1 at 4:30. So that's essentially 2 hours. And then it hit TP2 on this green candle at 5:15. So once again, that's what, 3 hours. So less than 3 hours. That's 2 hours and 45 minutes. Okay. Hasn't hit TP3 yet, but TP2, you either could hold it or you could take it to TP2. It's already given you the parameters to enter. So all you need to do is go onto your MetaTrader and enter in these exact numbers to be able to profit. Does it get easier than that? No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. This is a fantastic academy. Not only this, but once you are part of our team specifically, you also get access to a separate exclusive group to be able to buy a specific currency. I'm not going to say which one, to buy a specific currency and hold on the blockchain. You are then also able to profit on this residually. Okay, so these are the benefits. You're going to be with like-minded people. You're going to be with myself and others where we buy and discuss cryptocurrency. We're also in a Bitcoin crypto group in addition to this. So, you have the right people with the right mindset looking at the same sort of things amongst you being in this group. If you haven't already done so, you can also check out our website, which is www.kfacademy.co.uk. So taking you back, okay, so I have shown you the Harmonics DCX, and I've also shown you the Swipecoin Scalper and Swipecoin itself. So the question is, how much is it to get started on this pack? And this is one of the cheapest things that I've ever seen. And the reason why I say that is because if you think about just buying Bitcoin and just holding it, that's great, because you can just let it ride. You can put your money there, leave it, dump it, don't have to touch it. Whereas this one, not only does it come to your phone, not only do you get alerts to log on and take the trades from the computer, you are profiting right here and now. So if you want to cash out that day from your profits, you can do. You can cash out at the end of the week, whichever you want to do. Okay. So taking you on to our price. Okay. So for the DCX Academy to start up, it's 170. However, I am offering discounts at the moment for anyone that wants to get started on the DCX Academy. Why? Because I think it's important that we become wise with the way currency is going. And I want people to benefit from this academy, just like my team and the rest of us are from this. So that's £170 to get started. However, I am offering a discount. Drop me an email or a DM via my Instagram. And then you can also see that after that, it drops down to £126. And that's the reason why I say it's cheap, because if you look at how much you would gain in comparison to what this amount is nothing. Okay, it really is nothing. If we think about how much we pay for a lot of the things that we have outside. And let me even break that down for you. So this £126 monthly is about £31.50 a week, which is not a lot at all. So £31.50 to be able to profit a lot more in that week on that, as long as you utilize it. Okay, so that is me for today. Once again, if you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to email me. So you can reach me once again through contact@kfacademy.co.uk, or you can once again go and follow me on my social media to find out more, or slide into my DMs to ask any questions that you do have. If for any reason, you still have more questions after this, that's all good. I'm more than happy to explain and take you through other elements of this academy. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and get alerted for any other videos that I do after this. Other than that, I hope you have a wonderful evening. Take care. Bye-bye.